Tired of waiting weeks for your travel expenses to be reimbursed? You're not alone. Business travel can quickly rack up costs, and waiting for your money back can feel like an eternity. So, the burning question is, how fast does Expensify actually reimburse? Expensify is a popular expense management platform used by businesses of all sizes. It promises to streamline the expense reporting process and get you your money back faster. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in. The speed of reimbursement with Expensify depends on a few key factors. Company policies. Your company's reimbursement policy plays a crucial role. Some companies have strict approval processes, while others are more flexible. Payment method. Expensify offers various payment options, each with its own processing time. Direct deposit, generally the fastest option, often within 1 to 2 business days after approval. Check can take longer, depending on your bank's processing time. Company card. If your company uses company cards, reimbursement is usually instant. Expense report accuracy. Incomplete or inaccurate expense reports can delay processing significantly. Approval workflow. The number of approvals required and the speed at which approvers act will impact reimbursement time. Highlight Expensify's features that speed up reimbursement. Automated receipt processing. Expensify's AI-powered technology can automatically capture and categorize expenses from photos of receipts, saving you time and reducing errors. Smart receipts. Expensify can even extract data from digital receipts, further streamlining the process. Mobile app. The Expensify mobile app allows you to submit expenses on the go, ensuring you don't fall behind. Integration with accounting software. Expensify integrates with popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, automating data entry and reducing manual work. While Expensify aims to accelerate reimbursements, it's important to set realistic expectations. Even with a streamlined process, some delays are inevitable. Submit your expense reports promptly. Don't wait until the last minute. Ensure all necessary information is included. This includes dates, vendors, amounts, and a brief description. Use the Expensify app for easy and efficient reporting. Follow up with your approvers if you haven't received a response within a reasonable time frame. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.